Hi, I'm Tina. Welcome back to my channel. Or if this is the first time that you are stopping by, thank you so much for joining today. Please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell when you do. All right, today I am unboxing my Jane's Agenda July subscription box. Oh my gosh, she changed up the boxes. This is so pretty. So I just love black. It's not actually black and white, it's black and it's like a really pale pink pattern in there. And then of course these beautiful florals. So I haven't seen any sneak peeks of this particular box. So I am really excited. And here's her hello on the inside cover here. I love the way she does that. That's so cute. All right, we've got some yellow tissue and her sticker. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see what's in here. Her subscription boxes are very seasonal. Ooh, what is going on in here? Ooh, all kinds of goodies. Oh my goodness, getting us ready for summer. Okay, I'm gonna scoop everything out and then I am going to go through and find the tour card and go over everything with you. I'll be right back. All right, so I found the July subscription tour card and look at these cute little sunflowers that came in the box just as like a little decoration in there. They're so cute. All right, so we're gonna start off with the small quote card. It's a July month. So we've got this one right here. It's a nice small card. I love these journal cards. You can paper clip them into your planner. Anywhere you really want. So we've got month at a glance here for July. And then this one right here is another small quote card. And this one says, sunflowers follow the sun, but when it is cloudy and gray, sunflowers will face each other to share their energy. Imagine if people did that too. Wow, that's really, really pretty. I like that. All right, now we've got a large paper clip on a card, and look at the card. It's really cute with the sunflowers on there and then this big yellow paper clip. I have to be honest, yellow is probably most definitely my least favorite color, but this is a really nice paper clip. However, I don't think I would use this because I don't do anything with yellow, but we'll see. Then we've got a Take Note Canary notepad, and this is yellow, but it's very muted, and I like this size notepad. These are really nice to have around, nice and handy, and I like that they're, give you room for like a heading here, maybe some items on the side, and then it's got a dot grid in here, so it's a really cute design. All right, now in each of the subscription boxes, she usually includes a page finder, and this box is no different, and this one is a vellum sunflower page finder. It's really pretty. I like how it's just very neutral, and these are awesome. These fit in like even your mini planner. So I get the classic size subscription for my subscription boxes, my classic Happy Planner classic size. All right, so now we're moving on to, okay. So she usually puts some different items in the box that aren't planner related, but definitely useful. So this box, we have green ultra dark sunglasses. Ooh, these are pretty fun. I love sunglasses. So I wonder, I'll have to test them out and I will let you know about these because I'm pretty particular. I'm an optician, so pretty particular when it comes to glasses. All right, now these are beautiful. Oh my gosh, these are tabbed dividers and magnolia blue ombre is what they're called. I think this is so pretty. I love this color. It's such a different color. I really like it. All right, so they're double-sided and there are 6 of them. They're the same. on both sides. So they're all the same here, but there are 6 of them, so that's pretty nice. Oh my gosh, and then there are divider labels. Oh my God, these are awesome. So there is headings for work, self-care, projects, personal, travel, business, finances, trackers, medical, checklists, reference, meal plan, notes, goals, and events. Oh my gosh, I love these labels. These are awesome. So that is going to really, really come in handy. All right, and then there's a 0.5 white barrel Jetstream pen with black ink. Ooh, okay, so let's take a look and see how this writes. Ooh. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, that is very fine. I like that. Wow. Whoa, I really like the way that feels. Oh my gosh, that feels great. It's like, it feels like butter. Oh my gosh, really, really, really nice pen. Ooh, I'm always looking for good pens. I know that you are the same, I'm sure. All right, so now we are on to the dashboards, and she has these gorgeous dashboards every month, and this is no different. Look at how beautiful this sunflower is. I am a sunflower. Even on the darkest days, I will stand tall and find the sunlight. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And her dashboards, the quality of them is so nice. They are not flimsy cardstock. They're just very nice and sturdy. They do have like this really nice feel, like a kind of like a sheen to them, and they are double-sided, which is awesome. I really appreciate when things are double-sided like this. I just really, really like that. And I like when they're the same on both sides. Sometimes she has put out some that are different on either side, but I really like when they're the same. So this is so, so pretty. Oh my gosh, and this one is my favorite. Look at that. I am in love with that. And oh, that blue from the, oh, it's so pretty, from the water and the heart and the sand. Oh, and the sun. I just love this. I love this. And it's the same on the back side. So, so pretty. Oh my gosh, that's gonna look so pretty with the dividers. Oh, that's just a really pretty combination. I just really love this blue. Oh my goodness. All right, and then the next thing we have here is a thick non-laminate vellum dashboard with quote. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty this is. I love her vellum dashboards. Always bring your own sunshine. Oh my gosh, so this is really pretty. Looks beautiful layered. So they're over this dashboard. Oh, that's really pretty. Ooh, and then there's this one here. I think I would probably put it over this one just because it just really, although I don't see, but this has got writing, so I don't think I'd want to layer that now that I'm looking at it. I probably wouldn't want to layer it over that. Oh, and yeah, I wouldn't flip it because then this would be upside down on the inside. Yeah, I like this over this, but I don't like that there's writing like right underneath the writing here. And this is really pretty, of course, but I wouldn't want to cover this up because that's so pretty. Although when you flip it, you still see it on this side. So yeah, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I am loving this. All right, now we have an insert, and it's the Routines Planner Insert Set. All right, so that is this right here, and this says the secret of your future is hidden in your daily routine. All right, let's see what we've got here. Oh, okay. How to use these pages. Creating your plan for how you would spend your time if it were entirely up to you is the foundation we want you to start scheduling toward whenever possible. Ideal day. Use this space to plot out what your perfect day would look like from waking up in the morning to going to sleep in the evening. So there's morning, afternoon, and evening routines. These spaces are used for creating step-by-step routines for your day that will help you be your best self. And ideal weekly routine. This spread is for plotting out your ideal week. So that must be in here a little further. Let's see. Aim for the moon. If you miss, you might hit a star. We've provided several extra sets of pages which can be used if you make a mistake or if you want to plan out routines for during different times in your life. Perhaps you have a different daily routine on the weekend that you have on the weekdays. That's an excellent use of these extra pages. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's look at the pages. So we've got this one right here, an ideal day starting from 5 and goes all the way through midnight. Okay, well, yeah, I mean, because everybody's got different schedules. I know myself, I'm up, oh my gosh, I'm up at 5 during the week. It's crazy. So yeah, that's pretty perfect for me, actually. Morning routine, afternoon routine, and then evening routine. I like this. And it's the same on this side. And then here's another page of that and another. Okay, and now we're going into the weekly routine. So we've got Monday through Sunday, and we've got like morning, and then here's your like afternoon. So if you wanted to put like, this would be maybe your lunchtime, and then your afternoon, and then your evening. I like it. Now, what does this say? Ideal weekly routine. Okay. All right. So now we've got another page. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I like this. It's kind of nice. I like that. Different. All right. And then the last thing is this card right here, and it doubles as a large quote card. Oh, look at how pretty. It just says summertime. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I love the water. Oh, just like up against the sand there. Oh, that's really pretty. And I love that blue. Oh my gosh. All right, so here's everything from the Jane's Agenda July subscription box, and I am really happy with everything in here. I tried the sunglasses on and they do fit me, so that's pretty cool, and they feel really nice and they look really cool. So I definitely will try to take a picture of myself with those on, and I will put that picture on Instagram. So if you are on Instagram and you're not following me yet, be sure to look for me there at It's a Wonderful Plan and follow me, and you will definitely see things there you don't always see here on my YouTube. And I do also have a link down below for Jane's Agenda, including a discount that you can get on her regular price stuff. So if you want to get the subscription box, of course the discount does not apply to that, but she's got beautiful seasonal items in her subscription boxes, and I love just being able to like freshen up my planner every month with all of her items, and her inserts are just really useful, and I'm very, very happy with her items. So I thank you so much for joining me in today's unboxing, and if you enjoyed it, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and drop a comment down below. And of course, be sure that you are subscribed here at It's a Wonderful Plan, and hit that notification bell when you do subscribe. I generally post on Saturday evenings, but sometimes you'll get an extra video throughout the week, depending on what kind of goodies I want to share with you. All right, well, thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.